So I was sitting here editing pictures and watching YouTube videos, more tips and tricks on how to get your videos viewed, how to get subscribers, how to get this, how to get that, how to get monetized. And I'm going to tell you, does all that actually work? I mean, if you are trying to start a YouTube channel, or you just recently did, like me, I think I'm like 5 weeks in on Friday. I've done everything, literally. I got TubeBuddy. I even have the paid TubeBuddy. I got Lightroom. I even paid for Lightroom. I got Epidemic Sounds for all the great music so I don't get copyright claims. Even pay for that. I got a new camera, a Canon M50. I got a tripod. I got lighting. What else did I get? I've done everything. I got Canva to make awesome thumbnails. I feel like my thumbnails are pretty legit. I've spent hours researching, hours listening to tips and tricks on how to get monetized on YouTube. How does one get paid on YouTube? I'm gonna tell you, I feel like it's luck. I mean, you tell me all these tips and tricks, that's great. But I'm literally doing all of the things. Like every damn thing that somebody has told me to do, I've done it. I've done literally everything I've been told by these people with thousands and thousands of views. And like, is it just me, or you see a YouTube video and you're like, this is trash. Why am I even watching? But then like it's a train wreck and you can't look away. So you subscribe to the person's channel because you're like, well, they have tons and tons of views. Like they gotta be doing something right. So I'm gonna subscribe and I'm gonna keep watching their stuff so that I can understand how to get all those views. I feel like they're not doing anything right. I mean, I have seen videos that have no thumbnail, or their thumbnail is crap, no editing at all. Like they're literally in their closet, putting their pants on, putting their shirt on, brushing their teeth, grabbing a muffin and walking out the door with nothing special. Like no special effects, no sounds, no nothing. Like that's all they did for 5 minutes and they have 1 million views. Why? Like you cannot tell me that that person did something special. That's their second video and they have gone viral over putting their pants on. Like no, not even a particularly good looking person, not even a person who's anything special. So like you cannot tell me that if you do all of these things right, you're definitely going to like get famous on YouTube, be able to make YouTube a business. There's just literally no way. I can't, like, it has to be luck. It has to be that the right person clicks your video, they like it or comment or share it, and then it just like goes and it keeps going and going and going. Because some of these people that have all of these subscribers, how? I'll be honest. I follow people that I'm like, why do I follow this person? They literally, my dog's running down the stairs. Come here, buddy. They literally do nothing exciting. They do the same things that I do. They eat their muffin and they go on a drive and they take pictures and they make spaghetti. Like they literally are doing all of the same things that I am doing, and they're viral. Like it's just luck. Like some of these videos get thrown in the YouTube universe and they land in the right person's lap and that person feeds it to all their friends. I don't understand. Something like that has to happen because like I just can't. I can't understand it. I don't like failing. And I'm not saying like I am failing. I have a few views and I like doing YouTube. It's fun to do it. I love editing. I've gotten like super into it. But like the fact that people just get thousands and thousands of subscribers up front off of a 5-minute video that is them doing nothing, them doing the same thing I do every morning. But like we watch it. Why are we watching it? Why am I watching somebody else hanging out in their apartment? Well, for me, it's background noise. Like, I like background noise. I like to see what other people are doing in their life. And so I'll just watch it. Sometimes I'm not even watching it. I'm just listening to it. But I don't know, guys. I don't know if these tips and tricks to getting views and subscribers really work. Because I feel like I'm a legit experiment right now. Like, I have TubeBuddy. I go on to SEO Studio. I'm making sure that I'm doing the right hashtags. I'm making sure that my title is going to rank in search, supposedly. Like, I am doing every literal thing that you could possibly do to try to get your videos out there. It's not working. It's not. And you cannot tell me that it's just like, the videos aren't interesting enough or whatnot. I mean, and maybe they're not. Maybe my videos are incredibly boring and that's fine. But like, I have watched videos that are incredibly boring and then I keep watching them. I even watch them all the way through, sometimes just because I forget. And then I subscribe to the channel. Like, I don't know why. I mean, I've watched some really, really good videos too, but you guys tell me, did you start a YouTube channel and you did all of the things and nothing worked? because I'm going to look at your videos and I'm going to see, like, are these people producing quality stuff too? And it's also not working. And if your videos are quality and you also have no subscribers and no views, then I'm going to call crap. I'm going to call crap on these tips and tricks. I'm going to say it's all about luck. So these algorithms, I don't know about them. Are the algorithms crap? Like, these random people that I watch and they're like, oh, I got big on YouTube and this is how I do it. This is everything I did. Is it by chance? And now they're just telling everybody that, like, they did these things, but it's just, like, actually by chance. They didn't get big because they did these things. They just happened to get big and they did do those things. So now they're telling us to do those things, but they're not working for us. So how do we do it, guys? How do we get big on YouTube? How do I make people want to watch me eat a muffin? How do I make people want to watch me organize my pantry? What is going to make you want to watch me do regular crap that you're also doing? What's going to make you want to hang out with me? Because I don't know. I think it's crap. I'm going to keep making videos because it's fun and because I enjoy the 5 people that want to watch my videos. But, I mean, come on, guys. Let's find a way. Let's find a way to make everybody want to hang out with us. I don't know. Tell me in the comments. Tell me what you did to make people want to hang out with you. Did you do all those things? Because if I'm doing, I mean, you're doing them, and our videos are pretty similar in quality, like, I'm gonna believe that's crap. I mean, I found some great people. Catherine Manning, Annie Dubé, I don't know how you say your last name. Like, they're legit. Their videos really are good, and I like watching them, and they're telling me how to do all these things, but, like, don't feel like I'm doing much worse than them. And their most popular videos, it seems, are telling people how to get big on YouTube. So, like, what about before they were big on YouTube? Did they make that video before? Is that what I'm doing right now? I don't know. Anyway, I literally just had to hop on here and ask you guys, like, is this crap? Does the algorithm work for you? Do all the tips and tricks and paid services work for you? I don't know. Let's see. Let's give it 2 more months and see where I am. Where are you? Anyway, thank you guys for watching me sit on my couch and rant. Like, I can't fathom any of this, and I'm going kind of crazy, so I need to know other people's experiences. Where are we at with this? See you guys next time. Bye.